So here's my finished bag. It's really comfy as a crossbody bag, and I think I'll be able to fit loads and loads of things in it. And it's got this really handy pocket in that'll be really useful for putting things that you don't want to get lost in the bottom of your bag. I think it's really comfy and be really, really easy to wear. So I'm really glad with how it turned out, and that the skirt has been reused. It's going to have another life as this lovely, comfy bag. So here is the finished bag. I'm actually really pleased with how it turned out. So I didn't have enough fabric to do the whole thing, so this bottom panel is a different fabric. But you see, this is the front. It's got the nice purple zip that matches the strap. I open up the zip. It's got that lovely leopard print pocket and the label. Nice plain lining. And then turn over the back, and then it's got this nice purple strap and the slider on, so I can adjust the length.